Hi guys, on this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Xero add-on on your CS card and its basic features. First, you need to upload or add the Xero add-on files on your server and make sure that it's on the correct add-ons directory. Once it's uploaded, you will see it on the available add-ons list on admin. Now just click on install. Once you've successfully installed it, you can now configure it. Just click on the settings. In here, you can generate SSL keys, set account, and add-on settings. In order to link your Xero account to your card, you'll need to generate SSL keys. These keys will be used to create the application on Xero API. We have an auto-generate keys feature. This works on most Unix and Linux servers. If it does not generate on your server, it will give you a warning message and a link to our instruction page. And manually generate the keys on your server. You will also find that link here on the settings page. So on this instructions page, it will also provide you a guide on how to create an application on Xero. Now back to your card, just click on the Generate Public-Private SSL Keys button. Then it will give you the key. Click on the Create Xero API application link. This is where we're going to add the application. So make sure you copy the keys. It starts with Begin Certificate up to End Certificate. Just fill up the form and make sure you select Private, because this type will ensure of a persistent connection with the Xero API. So in here, we could just write the application name and then select the organization that is on your existing Xero account, and this is where you paste the generated key. After that, just click on Save. So once the application has been successfully added, make sure you copy the consumer key and the consumer secret. So back to your settings page, under Xero account settings, paste your consumer key and your consumer secret. You can leave Xero add-on settings of its default value. It means that when an order is placed, it will pass the order data to Xero and it will automatically create the invoice there. And then just click on Save. Now that you've installed Xero, it's time to go through its settings. So in here, let's start with the sales account. In here, you can map different account types to product income account for shipping, payment surcharge, gift certificate, and promo code. These account types are fetched from Xero API. You can configure them on your Xero account. So once you've selected the account types, just click on Create. Now we go to the tax settings. So in here, since our CS card is defaulted to Australia, these are the default tax types that are for Australia, which we fetch also from Xero API. So just click on Save. By the way, we have an advanced option wherein if you have customers that are not from Australia, if you accept international customers like USA, Canada, and other countries, and you want to put in specific tax, like for example tax rate, you can just click on this link. This is actually the tax management of CS card. Like for example in here, This is the default tax for Australia. I also have sales tax. If you edit this, I have specified different countries here. For example, Australia 10%, Canada 3%, and USA 12%. This will this will override or send or create a different tax rate if that tax rate doesn't exist on your Xero account. So going back to Xero, we'll also have to set the Xero payment settings. In here, it will show the different payment method that is active on your CS card. For this demo site, we have credit card, phone ordering, and check. So you can set in here the invoice status. And in here, this account types are account types of bank or those accounts that has enabled payments through on your Xero account. So in here, since I did not add any bank types on my Xero account, these are the only options. After which, just click on save. And that's it. In here, we also have Xero logs where you can click log details. This every time there's an invoice generated, it will show here the voice number and what invoice it is, or if there are any error messages or any failed invoice, it will show here as well as the error message. And then of course you can also clear the logs. Now let's purchase an item and we'll see if the order is created on Xero. So just select an item and we'll do the normal checkout process. I've already signed in as a guest. The address is Australia. So this should have a GST tax of 10% here. So for this testing, we're just going to use phone ordering. So once you've successfully placed the order, let's go to our Xero account and check if the invoice was generated there. So you can check on your invoices and see we have a new invoice here. And here we can see the details of the order, the TV that we bought for $900 and a tax rate of 10% and a total of $1,000.20. You could also go to your CS card and check the order details. If it matches, of course, the price of the item, the shipping fee, the tax, and of course the total. And that's it.